We are still in beautiful Vlore, and I have just drank from some random water source, so I hope I'm not gonna get some stomach problems. We shall see in few next days. And I'm heading up the mountain to see some of the local history, because there should be some sort of castle or a ruin. So let me take you with me. So, as you can see, taking the path less traveled will only give you some benefits. I was just welcomed by a horse and his buddy pony there, and it really looks like I might be able to sneak into that castle without paying, or at least close to it. I don't have to go inside completely. I mean, the entry fee is just €3, but this is way more fun, wouldn't you say? Well, I must say it's a strange feeling being somewhere here without permission, but there are just some goats, so I guess it will be alright. So I have some local guide spotted me, and I already saw everything. I don't want to pay him, so ninja style, I'm backing off.